Whose birthday is it today?
Me! It's a party!
Yes, birthday party. Whose birthday is it today?
Daddy!
Yep, it's my birthday today. So we're having Carolina's 6th birthday party. And what theme is it?
Mermaid!
Mermaid! Alright, so let's check it out. So we got ourselves some smoked chicken thighs on the menu for the birthday party. Oh man, would you look at that? Well, I tell you what, they're starting to look good. Starting to look good. So we also have some smoked mac and cheese right here. Without bacon. Would you look at all that good bacon footage right there? Oh yeah. Okay, so here we are in the diamond room. The cake table, we call it.
This cake is a big one.
Yeah, this is a biggin' cake. Happy birthday, Carolina, 6 years old. Look at that cake.
And Mommy put that sparkling candle in the cake.
Yes, she did, didn't she?
Yesterday.
Okay, so watch you guys step back.
Fireworks too. And a pinata.
Yes. Okay, so yeah, we were gonna have the water slide, but it went from being like 70 something all the way down to 54 or whatever it is out there now. So we can't do the water slide.
Outside
yep.
now.
So I got some fireworks to put off tonight. But yes, this is what a mermaid party looks like. It's got bubbles coming up off the ground. Zoom in there. Would you look at all those nice stickers? Got seaweed all over the place. Come in here to the kitchen. Oh man, would you look at all that decoration there? Shoo-wee doggy. Got some chips, fruit tray, deer bologna, meatballs, cheese dip, and another side of meatballs. We have our rolls for our shredded chicken that you just seen a little bit ago. We got some sauerkraut and dogs, a mermaid tail. I can't wait to try that. We got some sweet tea, ocean water from the Bahamas. Oh man, would you look at that, the doctor's in the house. We have a nice mermaid floating all about. Well, we'll check back in whenever the festivities start.
Bye.
And how could I forget? You can't have a mermaid party without a little bit of seafood, so we got ourselves some cocktail shrimp. Yep, and fruit.
I don't think she understood the children's He's so much taller. Yeah. Yeah.
Are you playing the game?
Turn y'all around.
And she was like, yeah, that's what Drew said. And I was like, well, he must be mistaken. She was like, I don't think so.
Is she gonna get it?
Because you know they never
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carolina. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday gal.
All right, step back so you don't get hit.
Whoa. Whoa. Okay. All right, Finn.
I these at night.
Hey, Ronnie.
Save one for night.
No.
I'm gonna stay for more fireworks. Yeah. No. We're all staying for fireworks. This is the fireworks. Well, we're gonna do stuff.
That one sucks.
There it goes. This one's kind of boring though.
Don't eat it. Put it down.
Just step way back.
You can't light it yet.
Stay here.
Run.
Run! Oh my god, this is scary.
Watch it not be a big one.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Oh, that's
I see fire!
There it
Woo,
goes.
come on! Yay! That kind of stuff.
Yeah, this one's probably gonna suck.
It's the anti.
I know. Here it comes. Orange. Let's see if it goes to yellow. Let's see if it goes to yellow. Okay. You see the orange? Yeah. It goes to yellow.
I think we have to do fireworks. He likes them.
Mommy, are we going to camp?
The other two don't like fireworks.
Mommy! Mommy, on the 4th of July, are we going to camp? Probably.
A picnic at a friend's
Okay, just leave it down.